Where's Sophia at? All right, we're going to do the M&M experiment. You ready?
With hot water or warm water?
It's warm water. Just be careful. Okay, pour it in the middle.
Tell me if it's enough.
You can keep going. Make sure all the M&Ms have a little bit of water on them.
Is that enough?
Yep, that's enough. Now we wait.
Welcome to Warning Leaf.
All right, so what I want you to do is drop a couple of drops of food coloring in.
Just one.
Just a couple, not, oh, that's probably good.
Okay, now red.
Do them all over too. Do one. There you go. Okay, that's perfect, that's fine.
It's turning pink.
Yeah, keep going. Okay.
Green. And yellow.
Yep. So we've got some milk here, and she's putting some food coloring in. And then we have some Q-tips that have soap on the end of them, dish soap. All right, on the count of 3, I want you to dip the Q-tip into the middle of the milk.
And then it will spread it.
We're gonna see. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa!
Why is it doing that?
Because the soap and the milk don't react very good together. Try again. Ooh. It's kind of making a rainbow. Can you try the other end and see what happens now? Ooh, cool.
Can I get it on my hands?
I wouldn't, because food coloring stains.
Okay. I'm gonna try that one and the Whoa. I want to get more.
You made a rainbow!
What? I didn't make a rainbow.
You did! It's super cool!
Can I get more food coloring?
No, not more food coloring. We're gonna do more. We can do more soap, but no more food coloring, okay?
I want more soap.
Super cool.
Look, bubbles.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna do some color mixing now.
Yeah.
So why?
We're gonna pour all of this into the thing, and then
Yeah.
like this.
Alright, so in the first bowl over here, why don't you pour a little bit of yellow?
A little bit of yellow,
Mm-hmm.
but I want to pour all of it.
Just a little bit, because we're gonna use some more later. A little bit of yellow. You can do a little bit more than that. There you go. And then a little bit of red.
A little bit of red in there.
Mm-hmm. Alright.
I need a spoon.
What did it make?
Orange.
Orange. So yellow and red make orange.
Let's put a little bit. Of
Okay. Okay.
That's okay. A little bit of green.
Okay.
A little bit more.
Okay.
Next. Green.
Yeah, it's kind of like a dark green.
Dark.
Yeah. Can you do a yellow and a green? Yep.
There's a little bit of yellow and a green.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Ooh.
Is it light green? Oh.
Can you do a little bit of blue and red?
Blue is red.
Mm-hmm.
That's okay.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit of red.
Oh, that one kind of made a purple black.
No, it made purple.
Oh, it did make purple. Very cool.
And let's pour all of these into
You want to pour all of them into one?
orange. Well, comes out. This into one. And then put this neon thing.
You made black.
Can I pour all of these into
Yep.
neon pink? Neon red.
Green and yellow.
Where? Oh yes. Oh yes.
Very cool. You want to pour all of them into a big bowl?
Into a big bowl.
Yeah.
Just a little
Big
bit.
bowl if you want a big bowl.
Now I have to mix it because this is food. Mix it.
Alright. Thank you guys for joining us for colors.
Bye.
See you later.